Divas, so welcome to the first video of 2020. I'm so excited, like, oh my gosh, we are already in 2020. But anyways, this year we are going to be starting off with these pre-color bundles. I have in 3 bundles as well as a closure, and they are pre-color, so I didn't have to like go through the hassle of coloring this hair. And this hair is being brought to you guys by Sam's Beauty. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want all the details and the specs on this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Okay Divas, so I'm super excited to start this video because this is the first hair video of the year, so I'm really excited about that. But anyways, it is going to be this beautiful blue wig that I'm going to be installing today. So I will have all the information down in the description box below, but these are bundles from Sam's Beauty and a closure. So I did go ahead and construct, it's actually body wave hair as well. I did go ahead and construct the bundles and closure into a unit, and I used the hot glue gun method, as you guys can see inside. I did already tint the lace as well because I did plan to do this video like earlier, but you know, the holidays. But anyway, so I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit too. I didn't pluck it too much, but yeah, I plucked it like a little bit. Let me just try it on because I've just like made the unit and flat ironed it, because like I said before, it is actually body wave hair. Ooh, this color is so pretty to me. But yeah, so it's actually body wave hair, but I just straightened it because of the density. I felt like I probably should have got 4 bundles instead, which I mean, it's full now. As you guys can see, like my hair is actually full. This is all the hair pulled to the front, but for my liking, I like my hair to be really full. So yeah, but anyways, this is the wig I made out of the bundles, and I'm sure I'll include a clip at some point of like the bundles and everything. But today I wanted to try and install my closure unit with another method besides Got2b, because I know although it works, you're probably tired of seeing it. So, and I wanted to try something different. So today we are going to be trying, what did I drop? Today we're going to be trying the Bedhead TIGI Hard Head Extra Strong Hold Hairspray. That was a long name, but yeah, we're gonna be trying this. I got this from Ulta and it was on sale at the time. I think these are $20 a can, so they kind of a little bit up there, but yeah, so this is the Bedhead spray, and I wanted to try it because I was like, I want to just use something different. I want to use try some different products. Like Got2b is cool and everything, but I just want to try something new. Honestly, I hate using hairspray because it like rolls down, which I don't understand why it does that to me, but it does. So anyways, let's just get right into it. Okay Divas, so I realized that at the end of this video I did not even let you guys know how I feel about this spray. So this spray is really nice. I feel like I could have just went in with like 2 layers and been fine, but the 3 layers wasn't that bad either. But this spray is really good so far. I think I want to use it at least like 4 to 5 times before I give like a final review and say like, you need to get this, especially because the spray is a little bit more pricier, I guess based upon depending on where you get it from. But yeah, overall I like it. It has a really good hold and it really helps to melt your lace right into your skin. So I just want to quickly tell you guys like how I felt about this spray. Okay, so it wasn't hard to install at all. I know I could go in and pluck this closure a little bit more, but I don't know why. I just plucked it a little bit. So yeah, but now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Trying to make sure I do it right, because that would suck like if I mess it up. Don't like the way this is looking, but I can go in and fix that. Should I go with a side part? Because I always do a middle part. Like, I need to change this 2020 because I'm always doing a freaking middle part. So yeah, I like the way it looks like off to the side rather than like a middle part, just because I want to do something different and I'm tired of it. But can we talk about this hair though? Like, it's so freaking pretty. The longest one I have is a, I believe the longest length is a 24, so I'll stand up for you guys to see. So here is how long it falls. So it is a little bit thin as well, but it does fall like really long, so almost to my waist. So on me it's kind of like a 26 inch because I'm short, but yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna plug up my hot comb and let it get hot for about a minute or two, and then I'll be back so we can like straighten out this part and everything. Okay, so while my hot comb is getting hot, I'm going to use this edge tamer. This is the Black Panther Strong, and this one is a 24-hour hold, and it's for braids and edge control. So I'm gonna put this on like my actual edges because you can kind of see them, you know, they're always there trying to make their entrance even when they're not needed or wanted. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just slick them down. I don't want to do like baby hairs or anything because, you know, it's so close to my eyebrows, but I just want that hair to be like down because it'll be weird if I just left it. And I'm gonna use my rat tail comb because I'm being lazy. I don't feel like going to get like one of my little edge brushes. So my hot comb is by Hot Tools and I got it from Sally's. So yeah, this is the one I'm using. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this hot comb and just pretty much flatten out everything to make it look like really like nice and neat and sleek. Okay, so now that I've laid the part down and everything, I want to go and, you know, get my face together. I will have makeup tutorials coming this week, so don't even worry about it. But today I just wanted to post a video featuring my hair, and because it's so beautiful and blue, so I was like, okay, I want everything to be focused, this video today to be focused on my hair. So anyways, now that I've like flattened out my part and everything, I want to go and get my face together, and then I'll be back to tell you guys what I think about this hair. Okay, you guys, so I got my makeup on, and I do want to flatten this out just a little bit more because I did have to like move my hair around a little bit because I was doing my makeup, so I needed to like pin my hair back, and I feel like, I don't know, I just need to flatten it a little bit more. Okay, so while I get my wig flat, or my closure flat, I did want to talk to you guys about like how I feel about this unit, or this hair rather, because I made it into a unit. But I really like it. I think it has very nice quality, especially for it to be like so affordable and everything. And I've tried the bundles from Sam's Beauty before, and they're really nice. I really do like them, and I love the fact that they're affordable. And that wig that I tried, or the bundles that I tried before, was like 28 inches, and the hair was like so thick. And so yeah, I really do love the quality, because that's definitely something I was looking for when I, you know, picked out these bundles, because I had tried bundles from them before. So I was like, I hope they have the same quality, because that was definitely something I was concerned with, because I got colored bundles this time. So another thing I like about these bundles is that they are pre-dyed, so I don't have to like do anything, because, you know, sometimes a girl is lazy, and then I don't want to have to like buy all that product to like dye it. Or I guess, I don't know, I don't mind like about buying it and stuff, but it's just, I don't know, like that's a lot of work. Overall, I like it. I feel like this closure is nice as well. Like the closure is very, very nice, and it's a 4x4, so you don't have to do like a specific part. Like you can do a side part, a middle part, you could even do a half up, half down if you know, if you want to do all that. But overall, I really like this hair. It's super soft. It's easy for me to run my fingers through. They do have different lengths. I do have, I believe, I got weird lengths because I wanted my hair to be really layered, because I think I am going to put some big curls in this eventually. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see that, because I'll probably post that on Instagram. But I have a 24, a 20, and a 16, and I just wanted really defined layers, and I think I have like a 14-inch closure, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, I just want everything to be like really, really layered. Like my hair is super, it's not like super duper layered to where it's so choppy, but I just wanted those combinations. You definitely don't have to do that, but it's just something that I noticed because I did do my cousin's hair and she got those lengths because I recommended it to her, because I was experimenting on her and it looks really good, especially when I curled it. So yeah, that's why I got those lengths. But overall, I really, really do like this Hair Divas. Like it's just so freaking pretty, and I would definitely recommend it. It's super affordable and it's pre-colored. They also have bundles that are not pre-colored, so if you want something that's just like a natural color that's affordable, they definitely have those as well. But for these are the pre-color, and I really like them. The only real con that I had was like when I first flat ironed it, it did have like a little bit of static, which I've never like experienced that before. But I don't know if it was because of something that I did, but it did have static. But as you guys can see now, like it's nothing, like there's no static with the hair. But at first it did have static, and I was like, what the heck is going on, you know, because I'd never experienced that before. But yeah, so the hair is fine now though. But yeah, that would be the only con. But other than that, this hair is definitely very beautiful, and it's 100% human hair, in case you are wondering. It is. So yeah, it's just really pretty, and I love the color. Like they did an impeccable job on this color, and I love how all the bundles match exactly, as well as the closure. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below where you guys can purchase these bundles as well as this closure. Yeah, anyways, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video.